information you can.
All right, you guys. I'm here at the food truck spot, man. You feel me? We're here, man. Let's see what they got for me. Yeah, I'm so nervous. So nervous, man. They got Detroit muscle. They got a slider thing. You know what I mean?
You know it's at. It's against that wall behind Jimmy.
Outside?
Uh-huh.
So we do our own designs. We have someone that can do them for us.
Mm-hmm.
Basically, you tell us what you want.
Okay.
And we have a designer. And basically, we cut it here.
Okay.
We put it in there. We laminate it. That way, if someone scratches this, it's protected.
Got you.
What type of food do you want to do?
Wings, tenders, catfish like that. You know, French fries.
Okay. I'll give
You know.
you...
What? Sheesh.
So normally, the way they come is one fryer,
Okay.
the flat top.
Okay.
Burners.
Burners.
This one has 2 doors. They already come with one, but the client wanted to upgrade.
Got you.
They come with a window. We have clients, I don't know if you've seen, but right, they come with just half of this. This client wanted 2, which makes it normally 6, and this one has 12 compartments with 2-door fridge on the bottom.
Okay.
What is it that you have to have?